Oh, that's great.
Oh, that is cute. Do you like the doggy, Madeline? Dog!
Now Maddie wants a dog.
She's smiling.
Uh-oh.
Are you short one, Becca?
I'm short a spoon. A
Yeah.
spoon. Not sure why.
Okay, I'll look and see if there's one back here.
Oh, that would be great.
She's excited because dogs don't usually let her pet them.
Like this?
Good boy, Dill.
He's such a good dog. Such a good Madeline.
We've got another one.
Do you like the doggy?
Can you put that back in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really sweet.
We're over at Mike and Becca's house for Thanksgiving.
Oh.
And this is Dylan the dog. He wants Madeline to pet his belly.
That is fantastic.
Yeah. That gets the wallpaper for a while.
Nice.
Wow.